Thanks for watching AIM Northwest this morning. Well, do you find it hard to wear exactly what you'd like to because your tummy is in the way? Here to tell us about the LipoLift, we welcome back from aesthetic medicine, Dr. Jerry Darm, along with patient Emily Birkemeier.
Nice to have you here.
Great to have you with us.
Thank you.
First, Emily, let's talk about why you decided to go to Dr. Darm. What was bothering you?
So it was mostly after having 2 kids and seeing what that happens, you know.
With your stomach?
With my stomach. So I decided after seeing him on the commercials to go ahead and try it. I had lost 30 pounds with diet and exercise, but it just wasn't, I wasn't as happy with my results.
Didn't give you that look you were looking for?
Right. No, you can't pick an area and lose from there.
But
so.
you can with LipoLift.
Absolutely. Very target specific with a little laser, goes underneath the skin, back and forth, very, very gentle. Melt the fat, suck it out, and lose a size or 2 and flatten, you know, all the subcutaneous fat. Most of it can be taken out.
Let's take a look at a before and after picture, and Dr. Darm, tell us what we're seeing.
Well, you're seeing that
Big
typical,
difference.
subcutaneous area that improved, you know, pretty dramatically and flattened. And no matter how much you exercise and diet, sometimes there's little areas that you just can't get rid of.
You can't do it. When you say you go under the skin, is that with a needle? What instrument do you use?
Well,
and
it's
how?
a laser. It's a very thin, flexible device with a laser on the end that just gently melts the fat. There's really only about a day of downtime with it, and you're wide awake. And so, you know, you can do a lot of different areas, the neck, the arms. Guys sometimes will do their pecs, and you know, the sides and the bra bulge and the thighs, all those are amenable to.
When you think of LipoLift, you hear lipo and you think liposuction, but this is a much gentler approach.
It's called laser lipolysis,
Right.
is what is the term, and so it's just much more gentle than the traditional mechanical liposuction.
And you were awake throughout. Did you any discomfort?
Just a little at first, but then they put the lidocaine in there and you're numb, and we were just chatting with the nurses and the assistants, and it was great. It's really laid back.
How do you feel now? How do you feel when you go to pick out clothes, when you're putting on?
So much better. It's so much nicer to just to see those results, and yeah, to go down a couple sizes and just feel so much better about yourself.
And
that
now,
way.
what about reaction? Your family, your husband, your friends?
Everybody noticed a big difference. I didn't say anything at first just because I wanted to see.
Right.
But now people have been like, oh yeah, we can see the difference, and they want to do it now too. So.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
incredible.
Yeah.
And then, did you have any downtime? Were there
Just
after the surgery?
It was a couple days of just being sore.
Right.
Yeah, but my family took great care of me, and yeah, it was fine. I was back to work 5 days later. And
You-
it was fine.
and you mentioned before, when you have this procedure, the fat doesn't come back.
No, it eliminates the fat cells from that area, so the fat, generally speaking, unless you gain a lot of weight, won't reaccumulate in that particular area. So, you know, it looks like you've lost 20 pounds when in fact you've only lost a pound or 2.
Oh, fantastic. That's great. So are there any people that you said think this is ideal for? Just anyone who's got a little extra weight around the
A little
stomach?
bit here, you're saying? A little bit
Well,
there?
there's always Dave, of
Yeah,
course.
right? You go under the chin.
me.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah, yes.
Because the same thing works under the chin as well, you said.
Yeah, it works great under the chin. So.
Okay.
But anybody with a bulge someplace that just can't go away, that they can't get rid of. So.
Yeah, and like you say, there are those spots in the body where even, you know, the most rigorous diet and exercise, you just can't quite
Can't get
sculpt
rid
that
of,
way.
yeah.
Can't do it. Folks would like a free consultation that's available to you at Aesthetic Medicine out in Lake Oswego. Their phone number 503-697-9777, and we'll have all that on our website at katu.com. Thanks for sharing your story with us. We appreciate it.